Hello everyone, welcome to Techie channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer photos, videos or any files from your Android phone to your Windows laptop or desktop computer. Now the first thing you need to do is connect your phone to your computer using your phone's cable. And once you do, you'll see something like this, and from here what you have to do is tap on allow. Now, depending on your phone's brand or manufacturer, you may also see something like this, and from there what you have to do is select transfer files. Now once you're done doing that, go to your computer and click on File Explorer, and here at the left you can see my phone is showing, which is Galaxy A03, and then click on your phone and here you can see the phone. Now from here you can just double click on the phone, and usually the pictures and videos are in the DCIM folder, so I'm just going to double click here and then double click on the camera folder, and here you can see all the photos and videos from my phone. Now all I have to do is select the photos that I want to copy and then right click on them and then click on copy, and then go to the files or folder where I want to paste them, and then just right click and click on paste, and here you can see we have our photo. And that is how you can transfer any files or photos from your Android phone to your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.